welcome to the 2018 Hedgehog Hollow gift guide, part number 6. Can't believe how far we've come. So today we're looking at kind of some wild cards. So whether you're maybe not a paper crafter, maybe you're looking for something different, maybe you have a tween like I do, maybe you have a friend or a mum or someone who likes to craft, but maybe you're looking for something a little bit different. Anyway, I want to throw out some maybe slightly different things that might pique your interest, or maybe you want to look at something a bit different. So on the table, I have some fun things that I have enjoyed playing with, and I think you will too. So first of all, let's have a look at the wick candle maker. This is from We Are Memory Keepers. This was really fun. It's super easy to use. It's a unit, you pop the wax in the top, it melts, you add your colors in, and off you go. And I even made some candles down here. You can see I've added some graduated ones, some twisty ones. There's ones where I put some glitter and things into. Really easy, really easy to do. And I made these on a Sunday afternoon and barely needed any instructions. And you can see here, we had real fun making these. And they were super simple. And then down at the front here, we have paint pouring. Now paint pouring is super trendy. This is the paint pour, it's called color pour, it comes from American Crafts. But there's 6 along the front here. We have all the different colors. We did it here in the office one afternoon. We had so much fun, and we have every color, and the girls could really just have fun in the office here. I have all of the different add-ins you can get from American Crafts, but then I also threw out all of the different Nuvo glitters, the sequins, the confetti, the Nuvo gilding flakes, all of those kinds of things. And despite the fact that we all had the same supplies to work with, everyone came out with such different results. Maddie did one, it's not here, but she did bright red and black because she loves Harley Quinn. We had Ashana who did the pastel lavender and gold. We've got these bright purples and blacks and whites that you saw here. We've got the black and whites. I love this one that Lexi did here, which is in navies and blues and golds. And I got to do this at American Crafts headquarters when we were in Salt Lake City, so I knew how easy it was. And the reason I'm recommending this as the kind of paint pouring system that if you want to try paint pouring you want to go with is because there are no add-ins. You don't have to get a pouring agent and an acrylic paint and mix it together. You literally buy the pots of paint, and you can buy them individually like this, or I will also link up in the blog post, and I should mention it's really important to go and look at the blog post. We have lots of links, lots of videos, lots of information, and also some coupon codes, very important. You can buy a gift set that has little pots, it has lots of mix-ins and things, the silicone gel, you'll need talc, and you need varnishes and things. And then you just throw it all in a cup, or you can put it all down. There's tons and tons of YouTube videos about different techniques of paint pouring. And you just mix these and off you go. So no mixing required or any add-ins or measuring or anything. These are ready, pre-mixed, ready to go. So this is my favorite paint pouring system to work with. I also threw in these Crayola Take a Note highlighters, because whether you're a planner, whether you are a journaler, whether you are a tween, a teenager, a mum, whatever, I love working with these. Maddie loves working with these. Hannah's daughter Percy loves working with these. I'm going to take one out of the packet and show you why they're really cool, because everyone of every age group in Hedgehog Hollow loves these, and we all have a pack. So I'm going to just grab one out the pack here. I have a piece of paper, so it's really easy because we just scribble on a piece of paper. So you can see it's really solid. And then I take the opposite end. Now, if you remember writing secret messages, and now you can see my heart appears and that area has completely disappeared. So you can write really fun secret messages and things on there as well. So we just have really great fun playing with them. So as a note taker, as a bullet journaler, as a planner, however you like using them, this Take Note range is really great fun. It's targeted at tweens, but I totally love it. I think we can all have real fun with it. So there's another thing I thought I would throw in our wild cards video. I also wanted to put these in. These are from Low Poly Crafts. This is a cat that Amber made. Hannah has also made a seahorse that sits on the wall. They come as a kit like this, so they are all numbered with numbered folds, and we're going to do a how to assemble video as well. This is the pug, there's an orca, there's a unicorn head that goes on the wall. You may have seen there's a picture on Instagram with Amber with a tiger on her head. So many fun things. They're really easy to put together. And the Nuvo Deluxe adhesive is by far, we found, the best adhesive to work with. There's also a beacon adhesive that works really well with them as well. So they work really well, and we will have an assembly video on how to work with these. We definitely found there are some tips and tricks of how to make them. And the people who make them are a couple based out of Canada, and they're the nicest people, and I always love buying from sweet people. Again, we met at the National Stationery Show, and it's something that's real fun because you can make your favorite animal like this. So that's another wild card. I also threw in the We Are wire jig because you can make your own embellishments. So there's one that I've got on there already, and there's a couple more down the front here. So you can make, this is as cute, and I can't read what this one says upside down. I think it says love. And then, so what you can do is you can make them all into either paper clips, or you can just make them into metal embellishments, whether you're a planner or whether you just want to put them onto cards. Here I've also included the Lily and Val kitchen die, which I also covered in our planner gift guide as well. And I love this because it's all about creating memories, which we're all about in card making and scrapbooking and all of those things. And when I open this up inside, there's all sorts of fun things in here. So let's open one of these pages up. There's a table of contents, but it's all about recipes and memories. So here I have the space to write down my recipe, and on this side I get to write my memories. So whether it's the dinner party I served at, whether it's that I made it with my grandma, or I remember making it on a snowy day with my girls, or that this was Maddie's favorite, or we made it for our first birthday party, I can write all of those memories down. And you could create one of these for your children. You could create it with your children or with your grandchildren. I just think that's a really fun way to create memories. And I know lots of us pass down recipes and things. I think this is a great way to keep it. I love this. And this is from Lily and Val. Again, check out the blog for coupon codes, links, all those things. Down the front here, I have the Artesprix thermal transfer markers. This is a technique called sublimation. Here I've put it onto a bag, and I've put it on heat transfer vinyl. So this is actually on a glittery background. You can see it shimmering there. So there's a circle of glitter, and then I put a mandala design that I've traced. And you can do this with a regular household iron as long as you turn the steam off. You can do it with an EasyPress, EasyPress 2, or you can do it with a heat press. So you do not have to have special equipment. You can absolutely do that. The better the equipment, the better the result. But you can also do it with a household iron, and they are child safe as well. So, and they are completely washable if you get them out on something until you heat them. So I love working with these. I think these are really good fun. Great way to make memories out of children's artwork, your artwork. You can see here, you can put them on mugs, tote bags, aprons, all sorts of fun things. And again, we have a video on how to use these. So again, another fun wild card in there for you. And finally, I wanted to put in the ImpressArt metalwork tools. So I use these in a video. Again, check out those links. These are really fun. This is metal stamping. So all of these fun bracelets, I've got two on here that my girls bought me for Mother's Day. So these are really trendy. This one says I love you to the moon and back, and this one here says love. You can make all of those yourself. So you can make washers, you can make tags, you can make bracelets, you can make all sorts of things. They come in all sorts of colors, all sorts of bases. You can make necklaces, bracelets, all sorts of things. And you just stamp in your metal. You can get different fonts, and then you can make rings and all sorts of fun things. So that is my fun wild card gift guide for 2018. I hope there's something there that's piqued your interest. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Check out that blog post, it's linked below. Also, thehedgehoghollow.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications of not only the rest of our gift guide, lots of inspiration coming your way for the rest of 2018. Plus, if you haven't heard, we are the official media partner for Creativation 2019. Behind the scenes access, early access, exclusive access, all sorts of fun things from the stage floor. Behind the scenes, early access, all of those fun things. So you'll want to be tuned to The Hedgehog Hollow. So tune in for that as well. Give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this gift guide series. Check out those links. We'll see you again soon. Happy stamping. Bye.